Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. I am Dharmishra ma'am. Children, can you tell me which day is today? Yes, today is Wednesday. And tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Thursday. So, our topic for today's session is days of the week. So let's begin our session. Children, now let us learn days of the week. So, do you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. 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 It is the first day of the week. And we all have holiday on this day, right? Monday, Monday. Monday. It is the second day of the week. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. It is the third day of the week. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. It is the fourth day of the week. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. It is the fifth day of the week. Friday, Friday. Friday. It is the sixth day of the week. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. It is the seventh day of the week. Now open page number 117 in your numeracy classwork book. Days of the week. We will write here in the given space. First, we will trace this. Sunday. 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 Now, same way we will write here. From red line, Sunday. Sunday. I'll show you once again. U N D A Y. Sunday. So, in this way, you have to write in these two lines as well as over here. Now, after Sunday, Monday. Monday. So, first we'll trace here. M O N D A Y. Monday. Now, same way we'll write here. So, first capital M. M O N D A Y. Monday. One more time. M O N D A Y. Monday. On page 118, Tuesday. Tuesday. So we will trace first. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Now we will write here. First capital T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. One more time. Capital T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And after Tuesday, Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. So write below capital W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. One more time. Capital W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Same way, write in the given space. After Wednesday comes Thursday. So, on page 119, we will write Thursday and Friday. First, we will trace capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. Thursday. Now we'll write below capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. Thursday. One more time. Capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And after Thursday, Friday. So we will trace Friday. F, R, I, D, A, Y. Friday. Now we will write here same capital F, R, I, D, A, Y. Friday. Capital F, R, I, D, A, Y. Friday. Now, same way, write in the given space. After Friday comes Saturday. On page 120, we will write Saturday. So, we will trace here S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y. Saturday. Now same way write here. Capital S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y. Saturday. One more time. Capital S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y. Saturday. So children, same way you have to write. Children, now note down this page number as you have to write in these pages same way as we wrote in our classwork book. This is your homework which you have to do in your homework book. So children, See you tomorrow in our second session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.